Hi guys, just made one of these CD Hovercraft with a balloon on it, and I often get questions, what can I use instead of a CD for half my projects? Because I have to admit most of my projects seem to involve using CDs. So I'll use a piece of polystyrene instead. This is a polystyrene pizza tray that I get with my cheap pizzas. You don't have to have a polystyrene pizza tray, any piece of polystyrene sheet will do. In fact, there may be a disadvantage with this one because it's got a bit of a dish in the middle of it. It bows up, and I don't know if that'll help or hinder it. Anyway, assuming you don't have a CD, you need something round that you can draw around. So I've got this dish. Cut that out, and we need a hole in the middle as well, so we'll need to make a hole. And then I've got another one of these bottle tops. It's just the right shape to put the balloon over, and it holds it in place, and that will go in the middle. And because I usually use hot glue, this time I'll try and use super glue. I don't know how well it will glue that type of plastic to that type of polystyrene, but we'll find out. So that's our disc, and a hole in the middle. Right. I need to glue that on. These bottle tops have often got a rough edge around the bottom, so I'll smooth that off with a bit of sandpaper. Feels okay. Okay, put a bit of pressure on it to get it in the right place. Okay, we can test it. Seems to work almost as well as the CD, although it seems to be dragging a bit on one side. So what I'm going to do is just score some lines. Just to see if that's enough to make the air come out in that direction. It's very small, but we'll see. Right, you can see the scores. Let's see if it makes any difference. Not really. I've made some changes. I've made those slots a little bit deeper. I don't know if that makes any difference. I've also taken some sandpaper and smoothed the outside edge to give us a slightly better air seal, and I'm using a smaller balloon to make it lighter. And those orange markings there are to indicate where the slots are. Don't know if any of those changes made any difference or not. I'll blow it up again anyway. Try that again. Well, I think it went better. Summary time. Does it work? Yes. Does it work as well as a CD Hovercraft? I think the jury's out on that. Probably not. But it does work. I don't know whether those air vents make any difference, or air slots make any difference at all. But certainly running the sandpaper around the edge to smooth the edges off a bit. I think that's helped. And a smaller balloon so it's not so heavy.